Today I wake up at around 8:30 a.m. I'm tired as hell because I went to bed around 4 a.m. working on a video. Today I have to head downtown to pick up some stuff, including the brand new AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I also need to fix my glasses and just enjoy my day off work. I use the iPhone 14 Pro to GPS in the car. My app of choice is Waze. I mentioned this in a lot of videos. I just really like the functionality of it, and I like to use it to see what traffic conditions are like while I'm driving. And while I'm GPSing to pass the time, I'm playing music in Spotify. I've been listening to Nav's new album and I'm liking it so far. So just checking in, I'm actually headed downtown. I woke up probably about 2 hours ago and I've been using the phone ever since. I just now been using it for playing music on Spotify, GPS navigation, and also I was doing time lapses. So the battery currently is at 83%. And I don't know, that's not like the craziest, but it's not bad considering all the things that I was doing with it. Toronto has a train that can take you downtown in like 15 minutes from where I am. It's called the Up Express and I'm using it since gas is high as hell and I don't want to drive downtown on a weekday. While on the train, I hotspot the iPhone 14 Pro to my 2021 MacBook Pro to get some work done and to edit a video title that I'll be publishing soon. By the time I get downtown, my battery is around 68%, which is a little bit worrisome. Today is kind of a cold day, so I decided to take the subway to the Eaton Centre instead of walking. It's the main mall in downtown Toronto and it's kind of dead at this time, so that's kind of why I'm going now. I don't want to hit the rush hour. I head to the Apple store and pick up my AirPods Pro 3. After picking up my AirPods, I go to this glasses store called Bailey Nelson to fix my bent sunglasses. I really suck at taking care of things, but the lady helped me out at the store and got it fixed. I'm sorry for the wind, but I just wanted to do a quick check-in. I actually don't have the greatest news about the battery life on the 14 Pro. I didn't really use it that much, and it's like at 36%. It's at 36, I don't know if you can see that, but it's at 36. The time is now 12:30. I used it for taking pictures of the area, GPS and whatnot, playing music on Spotify and navigation, but the battery is like 36%, so I don't even know if it's gonna last the whole day. It's 12:35. Again, this is my first day taking it out, like outside of using it on Wi-Fi all the time, so I don't know if I'm impressed with it. So it's around the lunch hour. I get hungry and stop by one of my favorite places to eat in Chinatown. It's downtown and it's close to where I used to live. While I'm eating, I spend the time on my iPhone 14 Pro scrolling through social media, scripting videos, pretty much using the phone as I normally would. I gotta admit though, I'm getting a little bit worried about the battery life as I have a few more things to do and it's at like 20%. I might have to head home early, but first, let's finish eating. Alright, so just checking in. There are a couple things I thought I like a little bit more about the 14 Pro, but as I've gotten it and like used it in a typical day, some of these things they're not that useful. So one of the main things obviously is Dynamic Island. I went crazy over it. I thought it was a good feature, and it is a good feature, but I feel like for now, like it's very early, so a lot of apps didn't adopt it yet. Oh my god, there's a freaking bee, dog. Yo. Like spending a day outside, I do wish that they would have put USB-C on it, man. Like, I know we've been talking about this for years, everybody's been crying over it. There's some things about it that make it like less of a pro, and I do wish that for the next update Apple adds it. But yeah, I have to go, I gotta go back home now. My battery's like dead, so let's see what happens next. All right, at around 3 p.m. my phone finally dies and I head back to my car to put it on the charger and I head back home. As soon as I get home, I spend some time working on some projects, including my brand new wallpaper pack, which I'm excited to announce in this video. I put together a few wallpaper packs that are abstract, look clean and minimal, and look really good on the iPhone 14 Pro or any of the iPhones really. So if you want to support the channel, check the link in the description and purchase one of those packs today. While I'm catching up on a few emails and things that I need to work on, I have the iPhone 14 Pro on the side, which I'm using to watch YouTube. I admittedly watch hours a day. Alright, so I think it's a good time to wrap up the video. I'm super tired, had a long and short day. I gotta say I am a little bit disappointed in how long the battery lasts. I took it off the charger at like 8:30. It's about 4 hours of use, and I do understand, totally understand that I was using it to take photos and navigate and just do what I usually do on the phone. And I was connected to 5G and things like that. But I feel like when I did the other day in the live videos, like the 13 and the 13 Pro and even the 13 mini, they didn't die so soon. I expect them to die, but not so soon. So a little bit disappointed in that. I don't know what it was, but if you're gonna buy this phone, you're probably also gonna need to pick up a charger. All right, so let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions about the 14 Pro. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I took a lot of time on this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Like a clown, summer always let us down. Tell me I be what I eat. Can't help it, I got my needs. Close the curtain, kill the sound. Summer always let us down. Hey, hey, dirty chicks, you got plenty of them.